As we say goodbye to the last few weeks of summer, healthcare officials are ramping up recommendations to the public to get a flu vaccine now more than ever. This in the light of a possible twindemic of the flu and COVID-19. Fox 47's Uba Ali spoke with a Mayo Clinic infectious disease and vaccines expert who says the symptoms are so similar it will be hard to tell which one you have without getting tested.
The flu vaccine does not protect you at all against COVID-19.
However, Mayo Clinic infectious diseases and vaccines expert Dr. Priya Sampath Kumar says it's more important than ever to get a flu vaccine because of the symptoms it shares with COVID.
I think without a test, we're not going to be able to tell flu or COVID apart.
Promoting the flu vaccine is one way to mitigate a flu pandemic and try to stop a possible twindemic. Dr. Sampath Kumar says the good news, the CDC announced a potential COVID vaccine could come out as early as November 1st. There are two products developed by Pfizer and Moderna in late stages of phase 3 for testing. Dr. Sampath Kumar says the Moderna vaccine is more advanced.
What is injected into the person is actually a genetic component that is that when it enters the cell, it makes the cell produce proteins that are then protective against COVID. So it's very new technology. There are no other mRNA vaccines previously licensed.
While we are still a couple months out from a possible COVID vaccine, health officials here in Rochester are urging people to get the flu vaccine, not only to protect themselves, but also to assist the healthcare system.
Our flu clinics are going to be trial runs for getting people the COVID vaccine in a safe manner.
As of now, the CDC and public health officials have not put out recommendations on who will get the COVID-19 vaccine first.
We're hoping in the next 4 to 6 weeks, those guidelines will come up. A lot of it is dependent on the supply.
In Rochester, Uba Ali, Fox 47 News.
And Dr. Sampath Kumar says the best time to get a flu vaccine is between now and early December. The flu vaccine clinic will be at Mayo Clinic's Northwest Clinic on 41st Street.